Oh! Whoa. Oh my gosh, I look like a clown! Hey guys, it's Sophia, and today I'm going to be doing a video that I am so excited for. I'm going to be testing out a full face of Glossier makeup. I've heard so many things about Glossier, and I seriously love their packaging and what their brand stands for. I've heard mixed reviews about if the makeup is good or not, so I thought I'd put it to the test myself and let you guys know how I like it. This is all first impressions. I've never used anything before. And I do know Haley Pham just made a video testing Glossier makeup, but literally when she uploaded it, my package got here and I was going to make a video, so I'm not trying to copy her at all, and honestly go watch her video because it's amazing. I ordered a big box of Glossier and I cannot wait. So we're gonna get started. I love the little pink bag that it comes in. Oh! Oops. Okay, so first we're starting out with the Perfecting Skin Tint. I could have gotten primer, but I usually never wear primer, which might not be good, but you know, we're just gonna hop right on into the skin tint. I've heard the skin tint is not very good. I heard it just kind of doesn't do much for you. I don't really wait. Oh my gosh. Wow, okay. Also, I forgot to mention all of this I bought with my own money. I wish this was sponsored. Honestly, please Glossier sponsor me. That would be amazing. All right, so I'm gonna take the skin tint, and I don't really know what I'm doing, but I did shake it, and I'm just gonna squeeze some onto my skin. Ooh, it says to kind of blend it in with your fingertips, which I love. I love when you don't even need a makeup brush. Is it making a difference? I can't tell yet, but it feels super smooth and soft. It feels really moisturizing and just not too heavy. Don't see too much of a difference. I have some blemishes right here. They're still popping out, so I might add a little bit more. Maybe it's buildable. I feel like it's just supposed to be super sheer and natural. I'm just gonna put a little bit more on and see if it does anything. I'm not super impressed with the skin tint, which most people aren't from what I've heard, but I think it's just supposed to be super natural. But I honestly can't even tell if it made a difference at all because I still see redness. It's good for those days where you really don't want to look like you're wearing makeup. Now we're going to be trying out the concealer. I'm just gonna take a little on my finger. It's very smooth. So I'm just gonna apply it to some redness on my face and some zits. See, I know you can't really see the redness on camera, but it's definitely still showing through. It's definitely not a full coverage concealer. I feel like it does even it out, but like I said, it's not full coverage and it's not going to completely cover any zits. But I feel like this actually did do a pretty good job, and I will be using this, I'm pretty sure, but I use Nars Creamy Concealer usually, and I feel like that does a better job of covering up. But if I'm going for a super natural look, this is what I'll use. Next, I'm going to be using the Cloud Paint, which I have heard amazing things about. I got it in the color Puff because I really like the look of pink cheeks. Oh! Whoa. Let's see. I think I put way too much. It is like paint. It's literally in a tube looking like paint. Oh my gosh, I look like a clown! I put too much on. Let's just try to blend this in and work with it. Oh, look like a clown right now. I'm just gonna wipe some off. Definitely know what I'm doing. Definitely. I don't know what to do. Okay, well that's just gonna have to do because I don't know how this looks, but I'm hoping it doesn't look like I'm a clown. Okay, next we're going to try out the Holoscope highlighter, or Haloscope. I'm not really sure how you say that. Okay, I'm a big fan of highlight. I just think the glow is what we all want these days. It feels really cold on the skin, which feels nice. I'm just gonna kind of blend it in a little bit. I like it because I feel like this is gonna stay on all day. It has that texture that feels like it's just gonna be there for a while, and it's not too much highlight. It's just a nice subtle glow, and it just feels so good when you put it on. I really like this. I'm gonna add some to the nose as well. Ooh, that's cute. This highlight is a 10 out of 10. It's so easy to put on as well. It just glides right on, and you're good to go. Now I'm gonna do the Lid Star Glistening Eye Glow. So it's kind of like lip gloss. It looks like lip gloss right now. And then I think maybe you just kind of rub it in once you put some on. I'm gonna put a little bit more on. I want it to be a tad more pigmented. That is nice. It's like a subtle glitter look on your eyes, but not too much. It's not like that crazy glitter. So let's do it on the other eye. I don't know if you can see this on camera at all, but it is so pretty and really subtle, and it's so nice for that natural look if you still want something a little bit more extra to put on your eyes. Okay, so next we're gonna do the boy brow. I have heard amazing things about this stuff. Here it is, packaging. It's good, as always, and apparently it just fills in your brows so much. It's so easy, and it's like one of the most popular products, so I had to try this out. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to like fill them in like that. It really does fill it in well. Okay, let's do the other one to even things out. It's very easy. This could literally take like 2 minutes or less, because sometimes when I do my eyebrows it takes me forever to try to get everything nice and even, but this just goes on and it's finished in no time. I really like the look of a bold brow. I actually am a big fan of this boy brow. I will be using this probably every day. I like it a lot. It fills in everything very nicely, and like I said, it's super fast and easy. And I like the texture of it. It's kind of different and cool, but it works. I have been needing a good clear lip gloss, one that doesn't stick to your lips and make you feel gross and dry them out. So I'm hoping this one is really moisturizing. Ooh, yes. I like it a lot. I barely put any on and it looks so glossy. I love the look of glossy and glowy and dewy. If you want that kind of look, Glossier is perfect for that. It basically conquers that really fast. And this is not super sticky. Okay, so I just finished off the look with some mascara. I used the Maybelline Dream Lash Sensational. That's like my favorite mascara ever. And I'm really happy with how this whole look turned out. I did look at one of the clips and I look super red right now. I think it's because I just put on way too much of the cloud paint. But next time I know to only use the tiniest amount. I feel like models would wear Glossier, like super natural Brandy Melville models. I don't know. I feel like it's definitely that kind of vibe. But I really do like all the products, and these are my 100% honest opinions. So I'd recommend Glossier to anyone who is going for that no makeup look. For today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked this type of video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, because I'm thinking about doing a milk makeup version of this because I really want to try milk makeup as well. Let me know any other makeup brands you want me to try and do a full face of first impressions on. I think these videos are really fun to watch and film, so let me know. Also, I am wearing my merch shirt. I released merch, which is so exciting, and I'm so grateful for the opportunity. So if you guys want to go buy some awesome merch, there's tons of designs over there, and it's really cute and stylish, honestly. So if you guys want to go get your own shirt like this, the link is down below. And if you buy the merch and take pictures of it and tag me on Instagram or Twitter, I'll post you on my Instagram story, so you might as well go do it. Also, please go follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to reach 20,000 followers. I post as much as I can, and I'm really getting into it, so please go follow me over there. It would mean a lot to me. So thank you guys so much again for watching. I love you, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!